in a brand new building, spray booth, grain elevator, textile mill. Before you pull a single foot of conduit, Article 500's got a rule to fill. Is it gas or dust or fiber floating in the air around? Better know before you wire it, or the inspector's shutting you down. Class 1 is for gases and vapors, flammable liquid setting up the capers. Refineries and paint booths, fueling stations too. One little spark and honey, boom, you're through. Class 2 is for combustible dust, grain elevators, flour mills a must. Class 3 is for fibers and flyings, cotton gins and textile mills, no denying. Classified, classified, know what's in the air before you're electrified. Classified, classified, Article 500 is your hazardous location guide. Class 1, think gasoline and propane, hydrogen, natural gas, solvents, vapors too. Paint booth, compressor station, body shop, any flammable vapor coming through. Class 2, put your mind on combustible dust, grain dust, coal dust, flour in the air, metal dust, magnesium and aluminum. Settle on your motor, handle with care. Class 3 is your fibers and your flyings, cotton, lint and hemp accumulate fast, not suspended like the dust is, but ignite just as quick. Don't be harassed. Here's why this matters: people have died getting this wrong. Grain elevator explosions, refinery ignitions, that's what wrote this song. 1, gas and vapor. 2, combustible dust. 3, fibers and flyings. Learning, this is a must. Class 1 is for gases and vapors, flammable liquid setting up the capers. Refineries and paint booths, fueling stations too. One little spark and honey, boom, you're through. Class 2 is for combustible dust, grain elevators, flour mills a must. Class 3 is for fibers and flyings, cotton gins and textile mills, no denying. Classified, classified, know what's in the air before you're electrified. Classified, classified, Article 500 is your hazardous location.